Greetings into your health. Today we'll explore manifesting yin and yang energy, bringing them both into the heart and lungs to manifest a state of well-being. Start by standing with your feet wider than your shoulders. Let your hands drop into Wu Qi, shaking them slightly to clear. On the inhale, sweep up your arms overhead, as if gathering the energy from the sky or heavens, yang energy. Form a ball and then turn it in front of you, seeing its energy grow and sparkle. Rotate your right foot laterally, knee bending in line with your foot, and present the energy ball to the right, your yang side. And then move over, do the same thing on the left side, presenting it to the left. Then bring it back to center. Take the ball slightly back and forth, and then expand and contract it with a few short breaths, giving it energy. And then rotate to your right again, presenting the ball to the right. Put it in through your arm, cross your heart and lungs, and stretch out, and then come into prayer position into a deep squat. Gather the energy from the ground, taking that yin energy, make it into a ball. And this time, as you rotate it back and forth, turn the left foot, present it to the left the same way you did with the right, bring it across your heart, and then back into prayer position in a deep squat. And then take this energy and open on the inhale, and then come back into a solid yin pose on the exhale. Do this several times, and close by reaching your arms overhead, bring down the heavens into your dantian. Bow in prayer position, and this is the exercise for manifesting yin and yang. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health. Keep thriving.